Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. This is a big moment here for Kim, and I'm really excited. This is the moment she's been waiting for months now, and this is her book, her copy, her first true hard copy of the book. And we have not had the time to open it yet because we've been on the road, and Kim has just been chomping to get this thing open. So
I have for 2 days.
I want to say to you that I'm really proud of you. This is a really big moment, and we're excited to share it with you guys.
Aw, thanks, hon.
Yes, I don't want to belabor this.
I'm already getting choked up here.
Yeah.
This represents a lot of hard work.
Yes, you have done
like
a lot.
Over a year.
So by the way, while she's opening this up, we're in Auburn for the Mandarin Festival right now. It's 48 degrees out here. All right, here we go.
It's very cold for us.
It's not even 7 o'clock yet.
Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. What a feeling to hold this in my hands, you guys. It represents so much hard work and just my soul, my passion.
Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh.
And I dedicated it to Jerry, CameraGuy. And let me just read the dedication.
Oh no.
Because it's so special to me. I never could have done it without him. It says, to Jerry, my camera guy, your never-ending support and belief in me made this book possible. Because of your creativity behind the camera, we made that first garden video that changed our lives. Together, we are an incredible team. Thanks, honey. I never could have done it without you. I wouldn't have had the courage to do it if you wouldn't have said go for it. I love you.
I love you too. I'm speechless right now.
And I also dedicated it to my parents, my mom and dad, my first garden teachers. Your love for me and for each other has shaped my life beyond words. And we just got to celebrate their 60th wedding anniversary. And they're just amazing, and they've given me the inspiration and the motivation and filled me with love so that I can in turn fill other people with love. So I want to thank them too.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes, finally, you've been so patient.
Oh my goodness.
Let's flip through a couple of pages here, and we'll get some close-up shots.
So here we go. I'm going to flip through my book for the very first time. Organic Gardening for Everyone, Homegrown Vegetables Made Easy. Oh my goodness, I love how colorful it is. Really step by step on how to grow your own vegetables.
Wow, to finally have this in a hard copy is incredible.
We've looked at it for so long on the computer. Jerry, you and Jules did such a beautiful job with the photography.
Oh, Jules really was so good and helpful.
It's just incredible.
Hey, show them the back. Look at this.
Yeah, the back cover is so pretty. Gives a really nice summary of what's in the book. And look, P. Allen Smith is on here. Diane from the National Garden Bureau. Gary, a lot of you guys watched Gary at the Rusted Garden. They gave a little quote as to what the book is all about and how much they like it. Oh, this is so pretty. I have to show my favorite picture in the whole book though to everybody, and it just looks amazing to see it in print. The very last chapter. This is one of my very favorite pictures. The sunflower, one of my very favorite parts of the book.
I remember that.
It's just how the rewards of growing your own food are so much more than eating and harvesting your vegetables. It's just being a part of a community, seeing the change lives, and just feeling the joy of being in the garden, getting your hands in the soil and planting a seed.
I know it seems really silly that we're crying, and because it's not like look at us, we got a book. I can't explain it, but I don't know. I can't explain it, but please, we're not tooting our own horns here. It's just exciting to see this thing finally come together, and just all the stories behind the photos, and all of you guys.
All of your support has helped us do this too.
Well, the part that we love, sorry for interrupting, is that you guys write back and comment or say on the live streams that that your gardens have improved, or you're learning from the videos, and that's where we get the reward to just do things like this.
That's right. And I think it just represents like our heart and our soul and our passion kind of all in one spot. And I think that's what brings up the emotion, is it means so much to us. And then to get to share it with you, this thing is filled with tips and tricks on how to help you grow your own vegetables. And I'm so excited to be able to share it with you guys. And it comes out December 24th.
Okay.
And you can pre-order it now over on our website, CaliKimGardenandHome.com. So hope you guys enjoy it. It's from us to you.
All right. Thank you guys so much. We love you guys. Thanks for being the best.
Love you guys. Bye-bye.